And I have finally managed to figure out what is the best lid groove depth and width. So without any further ado, I'm gonna test that. This one is applied. This is the previous test I've done. Didn't work so well. So now for the grand demonstration, let me get the timer. That should be alright. I got a shot of water, so I'm gonna apply it here. Nice and beautiful. Hit the timer and use this stick to show you that I'm not doing any trickery, because potentially this will be very hard to edit. So we'll see how long it takes before the water from this lid comes out. That's why we have the paper towel, and it's fine for now. This is a shot of water, by the way, so that's like 50 ml or 50 cc, depends where you're at. So I will not be talking much, just hovering with this wand, and we'll probably speed it up until it actually does penetrate the seal. So here we go. And here we go. There is a bit of a leak, so it took it about 4 minutes to get through the actual seal, and this obviously applies some pressure, just this water more or on top of it, so it's not like it's you know, few drops of water here and there. It's literally all this water pushing down and out to get out. So I think that's quite good for a DIY solution that's just supposed to last, you know, manage some moisture in the attic and basement. I know I'm repeating myself, but what else do I need, really? Really, what else do I need? Actually, I would need a TPU that's a bit softer, like an 80 Shore, 80A. That should be softer, hopefully, or maybe like a 70, so it's more of a rubbery. That would be perfect. But yeah, this is what happened, and it'll be good enough for the project, and I'm happy with that. We'll do the cuts and the thanks for watching.